You know when you wake up and feel like, oh, something has got to change. La barba. My beard is looking really bad. I got to do something about it. For some time, I've been thinking about visiting those cool barbershops. They are quite trendy now. Today is going to be the big day. And here we are. After waiting for a while, I was placed in a comfortable chair sitting with my eyes covered by a warm towel. And there, the magic has happened. I was shortly back to my bike again. It was a good experience. Bien, at least I was feeling much better. So now it's time to ride again.